All right, we are here today with Our Lady of the Rosary High School, Donna Paula. These are students of Standard 8 who have come to see mechanized paddy cultivation in Agassaim. Now, it's very important that children are introduced to mechanized cultivation because that is the way forward. You all are looking at it as fun right now, that children or people get into the fields, but this soil it eats your flesh also. So by introducing machines, you're also taking care of the health of farmers.
Burgyani hoy question there are a lot of questions that were asked, like for example, what is the duration does one field take? It's a very good question, in fact. How much, because actually, as Kenneth has mentioned to you, a field that is 4,000 would take 12 laborers to finish that field. It would take them the entire day. So with the machine, you're actually saving on your time, you're saving on your money as well. So these are very critical questions asked by youngsters so that they know exactly what is going into the modern way of farming. And this is the way forward, as Kenneth has said, because if at all we do not get into mechanization, we will have the farming community getting on a lower pace and a diminishing. So you have to have mechanization to carry forward the farming activities in Goa.
To see direct learning how the cultivation is done over here with the help of the machines. Like instead of teaching them everything in the classroom, they are having a direct experience where they are going to remember this for sure. They are going to remember this for their lifetime because they are going to learn something where they have actually involved themselves in this learning process. So I'm so happy and glad to be with them and to study with them. It's so much fun when we come out of the classroom and do something like this.